In this video, we'll cover a range of tips to help you achieve a fit and healthy life. We'll start with some essential warm-up exercises to get your body ready. Then, we'll break down a workout routine you can do anywhere, discuss crucial nutrition tips, debunk common fitness myths, and highlight some common mistakes to avoid. Plus, I'll share inspiring success stories and give you some practical advice to keep you motivated. Teaser: by the end of this video, you'll not only have a solid plan to get you moving, but also practical tips to ensure you stay on track and see results. Ready to transform your health? Let's dive in. Warm up. Host: before jumping into any workout, warming up is crucial to prevent injuries and prepare your muscles. Let's go through a quick warm-up routine. Arm circles. Start with arm circles. Extend your arms out to the sides and make small circles. Gradually increase the size of the circles. This warms up your shoulders and arms. Leg swings. Next, do leg swings. Hold onto a wall for balance. Swing one leg forward and backward, and then switch legs. This helps loosen up your hip flexors and legs. Jumping jacks. Finish with jumping jacks. They get your heart rate up and prepare your whole body for exercise. Workout routine. Now, let's get into the main workout routine. We'll focus on a mix of cardio and strength exercises. Start with squats. Stand with feet shoulder-width apart, bend your knees, and lower your hips as if sitting in a chair. Make sure your knees don't go past your toes. Aim for 3 sets of 15 reps push-ups. Next, push-ups. Place your hands slightly wider than shoulder-width apart, lower your body until your chest almost touches the ground, and push back up. Modify by doing them on your knees if needed. Aim for 3 sets of 12 reps lunges. Now, let's do lunges. Step forward with one leg, lower your body until both knees are at 90 degrees, and push back up. Alternate legs for 3 sets of 12 reps per leg. Plank. Finally, hold a plank position. Keep your body in a straight line from head to heels, and hold for as long as you can. Aim for 3 sets of 30 seconds. No workout routine is complete without proper nutrition. Here are some essential tips to fuel your body and support your fitness goals. Hydration. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Staying hydrated helps with muscle recovery and overall health. Balanced meals. Aim for balanced meals that include lean proteins, whole grains, and plenty of fruits and vegetables. Common mistakes. Let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Skipping warm-ups. Skipping your warm-up can lead to injuries. Always make time for it. Incorrect form. Using improper form during exercises can lead to injuries and less effective workouts. Focus on technique and don't rush. Overtraining. Rest is just as important as the workout. Give your muscles time to recover. Here are a few inspiring success stories from our community. Story 1. Jane, a busy mom of 2, started incorporating these tips into her daily routine and lost 20 pounds in 3 months while gaining more energy and confidence. Story 2. Mark, who struggled with motivation, followed our workout routine and found a new passion for fitness. He now runs marathons and feels better than ever. Throughout this video, you'll see detailed demonstrations of each exercise and tip. Pay attention to the form, and don't hesitate to rewind and watch the sections again if needed. I'd love to hear from you. What's your go-to workout routine or favorite healthy snack? Let me know in the comments below. End section graphics and viewer engagement prompts. Challenges. Join our 30-day fitness challenge. Share your progress on social media using FitandHealthCycle and tag us for a chance to be featured. Host. Remember, progress takes time. Stay consistent and believe in yourself. You're stronger than you think, and every step forward is a victory. Success tips. If you hit a plateau, try mixing up your routine or setting new goals to keep things fresh and exciting. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more fitness tips and tricks. Check out our other videos for additional workouts and health advice. To recap, we covered essential warm-ups, a full workout routine, important nutrition tips, common mistakes to avoid, and some inspiring success stories. Stay tuned for our next video, where we'll dive into meal planning for optimal fitness. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and remember that every small change leads to big results. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new exercise program. Listen to your body, and if you experience any pain or discomfort, stop and seek advice.